Righto guys, I'm going to try to complete the 3x3 in under 20 seconds. So right now I'm going to unjumble it, and in any way. So the fastest I've ever done a 3x3 before is 23.95 seconds. And that's pretty slow because there's a lot of people that can do them in 7 seconds and all that. I would love to do it in that sort of time, but yeah. So, to make it unscrambled. If you guys want me to show you how to do this, just leave in the comments, and in that day, if I get like 10 people saying it, well, I will do it. So right there is all unjumbled, or jumbled up, sorry. Now, okay, so on my phone right now it says 1 minute and 20 seconds now, so I'm going to start at 1 minute 30. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Whoops. Time. Okay. Holy shit. Holy crap, I did that in 8.45 seconds. Fingers are cramped a little bit. Anyway guys, so yeah, done the 3x3 in 8.45 seconds, whatever I said. Yeah, so if you want a tutorial how to do this, just comment in the video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.